One of the cars we are producing here at the Bratislava Volkswagen plant is the Audi Q7. Currently, there are 320 self-pierce riveting systems in use. In the coming year, we plan to increase that number to 450. Such multi-material bodies reduce the weight, but also pose great challenges to the fastening technology. Modern, lightweight concepts are among the key factors in the automotive industry, since they considerably improve vehicle dynamics and reduce emissions. Aluminum and super high-strength, hot-formed steels cannot be welded together because their melting points differ considerably. However, if you use the Bullhoff RIVSET HDX rivet, that material combination can also be joined without loss of performance. A high setting force is required to set HDX rivets. Therefore, the highest RIVSET Automation setting force of 78 kilonewtons is used to set those rivets. The process times of the self-pierce riveting systems are short, reliable, and allow very good access to the joining points due to the low interference contours. An integrated service concept introduced at the very beginning of the project has led to the formation of a completely independent maintenance team in Bratislava. Should there be a malfunction, Bullhoff always reacts promptly and provides expert support. That is real cooperation.